So this is the issue we're having, it's not turning on. It should turn on, but it's not. What it is, it's this switch right here. It's broken. You can kind of already tell. And what I've done is I messed with the button, with the switch, and pressed the button, and it's turned on if you mess with it enough. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this off. Usually you could pry this open. Very simple switch. Just put it in there like that. Plug it in. Put those screws back on and it should work. So we're gonna do that real quick. Let's check it out. But before we do any work, let's unplug it. There it is. So I was able to take it off. We're gonna plug it in. This one feels different, so we're gonna try it before putting everything back together. Plug it in. It's there. It's working. So it thinks the door's open. It thinks the door's closed. Hit start. We're good. Now unplug it and put it back together. So put it back together.
Always be my dreams. You always be